Hi, here I have a 50-inch Panasonic TV. So the problem with this TV is when turn on the power, the backlight will turn on, but the screen is blank, no picture. Only the backlight will turn on. So this TV is using LG panel. So here's the Ticon. So this one is a UHD. Okay, the icon, and then the panel is here. Is the LG panel, 49 UHD. So for this TV, the Ticon got 12-volt input, and then the V-Core 1.1. This one is a voltage regulator 3.3 to 1.8. So for this TV, first I release this connector and I connect this one. So when I connect this one and release this one and I turn on the TV, so the screen is blank. There's no white half screen, is not there. So the whole screen is blank and only I can see the backlight only. So by checking the voltage, the 12-volt is there, and then by looking at this section here, there's a VGH here. So the VGH is 0. VGH is 0. Then here on this section, this one got two VGL. VGL1 and VGL2. So VGL1 is -7, VGL2 is -15. So when this one is connected, so the 12-volt is present, but the VGH and VGL drop to 0. So when I release this one and connect this one and turn on the TV, I can see this side is black and this side is white screen. So when connected, I see some difference. On this side is black and this side is white. There's a white screen on this side. And by checking the voltage, the VGH, VGL, all the voltage present when connect to this side. So the problem is coming from this section. So on this section here, I check all the capacitor here. I check capacitor and all the capacitor is good. There's no fault here. Capacitor is not there's no faulty capacitor. So by looking at this section here, okay, so this TV is using this one SM. Is using this IC SM4085. So this TV is using this IC SM4085, and beside this IC there's a CLK1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and then bottom here there's a clock 2 up to clock 10. So all this clock line is coming to this capacitor here. The bottom side, the top side is the clock is connected with the clock, and the bottom is going to the ground. So the top is the clock and bottom is the ground. So there's a 10 clock signal on this side. So I use multimeter in continuity mode. So I put one probe of the multimeter on top of the capacitor, and I just go through this section, and I find that the pin number 1 is connected with clock 1, pin number 2 is connected with clock 2. So all the 10 clock line is at this corner, which is 1 to 10. From this corner, from this corner here, so 1 to 10 is the clock line. So by looking here, I use the masking tape. So I close 1 to 10, and after closing 1 to 10, I connect back and turn on the TV. And now the TV got picture already, so I'll turn on the TV. So now the Panasonic come up. So the TV is fixed after bypass the clock 10 clock line.